Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'd like to play for you the Bach Prelude in B-flat major, number 21. I'll play it slowly this time, and I'm going to use the metronome and count out loud. So it's tricky because there's 32 30-seconds in every bar, but each eighth is 4 30-seconds. And so if I count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it's tricky on the second page because there are dotted eighths, so to know where the number comes, the main beat number, is not easy. Anyway, it has to be understood to be able to play the piece with what Bach requires, color, control, and beats. So anyway, I'll give it a try and hope you enjoy it. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a good night. Bye-bye.